Okay, I have one particular Google Sheet file here that has my ICT content, and I have another Google Sheet file over here that has the grid. But now I want to move this over to this file. So how do I do that? Well, of course, you can copy and paste, nothing wrong with that. But there is another way where you can actually use the copy tool. And since this is an existing file, so it's an existing spreadsheet, I will look for it. Just give me, okay. Oh, here it is. Okay, it should be under the IR Academy, and this is the file name, and I click insert. So it's copying the sheet. I will open it. So now you will see the grading, but there is one more tab inside that contain the copy of the other tab. So that is how you can actually fix this problem.